Second time's the charm for Samsung's foldable ambitions with this, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. It's the company's second foldable phone, and after the, I think it's fair to say, debacle of the Galaxy Fold launch last year, all eyes were on Samsung to see what they would do this time around. And the answer is a smartphone that opens up to be kind of a regular 6.7-inch Android phone when it's opened, and closes down to be something that will fit into a pocket or purse when it's closed. Maybe a lot smaller than the Galaxy Fold, but the price isn't that much smaller. We're still talking $1,380. Though for your money you do get a sizable internal display, protected this time by flexible glass. It means that you can touch it with your fingernail. It's a lot less likely to scratch, and it looks a lot better too, and the crease is slightly less visible and feels less noticeable underneath your finger. There's a small secondary display on the outside. It's only 1.1 inches, but it's still AMOLED. It's still a touchscreen. You can use it to swipe away on notifications, see the time, get a very slow ticker tape preview of messages, or you can use it for this. You can see a preview of what the camera is saying if it's in selfie mode. And Samsung's particularly pleased about this hinge. It supports in a variety of different angles, so it means that whether you're taking a photo of yourself using the dual external camera or using the internal selfie camera, you can prop it up and just keep recording. Unlike the flip phones of old, it's not really conducive to single-hand use. You can flip it open with one finger, but it's not exactly the most comfortable thing, and the same goes for when you're closing it. The big question is, should anyone buy this? At $1,380, this is still a very expensive phone, only for the bleeding-edge early adopters. It's more expensive than most of the S20 phones we've seen today. It's cheaper than the Motorola Razr, though, and I'd definitely go for this over the Razr, and I think I'd go for this over the original Galaxy Fold, too. One thing's for sure, the foldable phone segment is moving on in leaps and bounds, and it's not holding about. And whilst this might not be the time for you to jump in and buy one, that time might be coming soon.